In this portion of the Maestro demo, I will highlight the voice and messaging techniques that allows users to extract the data using commands that are designed in the form of questions. Each question uses pre-existing APIs designed in Jitterbit and are called through the Maestro user app to retrieve the answers to these questions. When the user logs into the Maestro user app, they will be presented with a home page, which contains quick links that the user can click on to fire off their questions. To get started, I will use one of the questions listed on the menu, today's pipeline. As you can see, it pulls back all the new records created today in Salesforce. I can get the answer to this question using verbal commands such as, give me today's pipeline. Or I can phrase it another way. Today, could you give me the pipeline? If I wanted to look at a particular account, I can click on the link underneath the ID field, and it'll take me into Salesforce and show me the account information. To move on to a more complicated question, I can provide numeric values in the terms of percentages and say such things as, give me my 20% opportunities. And as you can see, it gives me my 20% opportunities. I'll phrase it another way. Can I have my 40% opportunities? And again, it brings back my 40% opportunities. This next question, I can use a combination of parameters to get my answer, or use a single parameter in the same question to get different answers. So to get my total ACV for a particular category, I can say total ACV best. Gives me the total for the best. Or I can combine that question with total ACV best new. Or I can say reversed, total ACV new best. And it provides the same answer as I had before. This next question, I must use specific parameters constrained to a particular list, such as this list must contain best, worst, or expect. So for example, if I say, I need my worst web opportunities, or I can say, I need my web best opportunities, say it a different way. I get my best opportunities. Now to get the list for that particular question, all I have to say is another question such as web opportunities. And it provides me with the prompt to see the list. I type a question mark and it provides a list of these parameters. So if I grab expect, copy that into the dialog box, I will get all my expected records. This next question is similar to the last question, where you must pick a parameter from a constrained list. For example, if I say, show me my type new opportunities, takes the keyword new and populates the input box. If I like to use the word new, I can just hit confirm and it'll trigger the question. If I want to change my answer and look at the list of possible options, I can pick one of those and select confirm, and it'll get me all my non-core records. In this demo, I just used voice commands to trigger the questions, but I could have easily typed those same questions and got similar results. For instance, if I would have typed, show me new type opportunities, I would get my new type opportunities. Now there's one last option to retrieve questions from Maestro, and that is through the shortcut menu. The shortcut menu is very similar to the hello menu, but associates questions with icons. But the difference being is you can edit these questions. Now here, you give it a title that is descriptive of what you're trying to accomplish, and in the command section, you give the questions that you're trying to answer. And in this case, I'm going to add one. The command I just ran, and what I'm trying to do is associate all the type new opportunities to the total ACV new. So all I have to do is confirm, end my edit, run the command. There I get my total ACV along with all the new type opportunity associated with the total ACV. Now that concludes the Maestro demo. If you have any questions and concerns, please let me know and I'll address those questions as they come. Thank you very much.